Welcome to the clean side of OnlyFans, where regular people are cashing in without taking their clothes off. Today I'm going to show you 10 legit ways to make money on OnlyFans fully clothed, using just your phone, your skills, or even your personality. Let's get right into it. First, fitness coaching. If you're into working out, you can post workout routines, diet tips, transformation challenges, or even accountability check-ins. Charge monthly for exclusive content or offer custom fitness plans through pay-per-view messages. 2. Cooking and recipes. Love to cook? Share recipes, cooking tips, and food prep videos. People will pay for private tutorials or behind-the-scenes kitchen access, especially if your content is niche, like vegan meals or budget cooking. 3. Daily routines and self-improvement. People love day-in-the-life content. If you have a good morning routine, journal practice, or productivity system, record it. You can bundle planners or ebooks as bonuses for subscribers. 4. Teaching a skill. Think tutoring, language lessons, makeup tutorials, photography tips, or even relationship advice. Whatever you're good at, turn it into a mini course or membership. 5. Comedy and entertainment. If you're funny, dramatic, or love doing characters, OnlyFans is just another stage. Comedy rants, storytelling, and even fake therapy sessions do really well with the right audience. 6. ASMR and relaxation. If you've got a calming voice or a good mic, create ASMR, soundscapes, or meditation content. This niche has loyal fans who'll subscribe for daily stress relief. 7. Cosplay, fashion, and try-ons. You don't need to reveal anything. Just showcase creative outfits, wigs, or cosplay transformations. Add commentary or styling tips for more value. 8. Gaming or anime reactions. Record reaction videos to new episodes, reviews, or even exclusive live gameplay. You can also offer custom reviews for fans or game suggestions for their playlists. 9. Anonymous content. Not comfortable being on camera? Use AI avatars, voiceovers, or characters like a talking cat or anime girl giving life advice. Plenty of faceless creators are making money using voice filters and visual templates. 10. Selling digital products. Combine your content with downloadable guides, ebooks, planners, or templates. OnlyFans lets you sell directly to fans, and you keep control of your pricing. Here's how the money flows on OnlyFans. Subscriptions. Charge monthly, like $9.99. Pay-per-view. Send premium content through messages. Tips. Accept tips for shout-outs or advice. Bundles. Offer multiple months at a discount. Affiliate links or bonus product sales. You can start making money with just 10 to 20 loyal fans paying monthly. The goal is consistency, not virality. Promote your page on Instagram, Threads, TikTok, or Reddit. Use content teasers, behind-the-scenes clips, or offer free trials to build your base. Stay consistent. Post 3 to 5 times a week. Engage with your fans. They'll pay more when they feel seen. Now that you've seen the clean side of OnlyFans, what's stopping you? Pick your niche, post valuable content, and watch your income grow. Like this video and subscribe for more money-making ideas. Let's build your online income, fully clothed.